Hello, my name is RB Paunil. This is English Trevi and I will be for your reporting for today. Our topic for today is popular literature genres, science fiction. Now let's go to the science fiction. What is science fiction? Science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction that contains imagine elements that don't exist in real worlds. Science fiction spans a wide range of themes that often explore time travel, space travel, are set in the future and deal with the consequences of technological scientific advance. A work of fiction that imaginative incorporates real or imagined science into its plot, setting, or theme. The term science refers to the fact that a story in some way involves science or technology, regardless of how advanced that is portrayed or being based on real scientific principles rather than involving magic or supernatural. The History of Science Fiction. A true story written by Siren Satiris Lucian is thought to be the first sci-fi story which explore other universes and extraterrestrial life forms. Modern science developed during the Age of Enlightenment, and writers reacted to the scientific and technological advancement with a wave of sci-fi stories like New Atlantis, Somnium, Kepler, Somnium, Comical History of the State of Empires by the Moon. Since the second centuries, science fiction has existed. The first science fiction stories that we all know is Frankenstein. That is the first science fiction of novels. Let's go to type of science fiction. There are two types of science fiction: hard hard sci-fi and soft sci-fi. Let's go to hard sci-fi. So hard sci-fi novels are based on scientific fact. They inspired by hard natural scientific science like physics, chemistry, and astronomy. For example of hard sci-fi fiction is The Martian by Andy Yerkes Stanley Robinson Mars trilogy. Those are the example of hard sci-fi fiction. And the next part is soft science fiction places greater emphasis on the human aspect of the story, integrating science of human behavior like psychology, sociology, politics. An example of science fiction is Charlie Frankenstein by Robert A. and The Stranger in the Eastern Land by Robert A. Heinlein, Yuroska Keilawe, The Left Hand of the Darkness. Darkness. Those are the sci-fi, soft sci-fi, science fiction. Now the next part is subgenres of sci fiction. Now eight. There are eight sci-fi genres of science fiction. Now the first one is the first one is the first one is dystopias and utopias. Now dystopias take place in the future or near future society where life and social structure are catastrophic decline. Life decline and human fight for survival in often violent, oppressive condition. Utopias are the opposite, ideal worlds in which life and social structure are idyllic and any conflict stem from human fallibilities. For example of dystopias is the Handmaid's Tales. There is in this in this society is in this story in the novel is human I the women are only for breeding. There is no gender equality in this story. So dystopias is more on takes place in an unusual future where life and social circle are catastrophic decline. That there is a catastrophic in the story. Now, utopias, for example, is the Herland by Charlotte Perkins, example of utopias. Now, this is where the some people or scientific imagine that the world where we develop our science to the near future, we all live in a world where not poverty. And the next part is fantasy. Fantasy scientific occurs in settings that defy known natural scientific law. They draw inspiration from myths, folklore, and usually utilize magic to some extent. For example of this, a Lord of the Rings, um, movies that use magic or novels, those are fantasy. Now, the next part is space operas. These are epic adventures and or romances set in outer space. For example, Aliens bases Predators, or Star Wars that take place in the outer space. The next part is supernatural. Supernatural science fiction in this vein incorporate mystical phenomena like physics, abilities, occultism, witchcraft, or wizardry. The example of this is The Hunting of Hill House by Shirley Jackson. This is the opposite of using magic like fantasy. Here it is more on dark movies or dark novels. The next part is science fiction. The next part the next part I those are the subgenres of science fiction. Now, let's go to the characteristic of science fiction. What are the common characteristics of science fiction? Science fiction is often called literature of ideas. It's frequently used to describe science fiction, which encompasses a vast array of futuristic ideas. They are so creative that anything is imaginable, particularly in soft sci-fi books. So, science fiction is pure of imaginable, where in the near future or where it can happen, like robots that take over the world. Those are sci-fi fiction. Anything is possible, especially in novels. Sci-fi novels. A sci-fi novels can be about space, time travel, aliens, or time traveling aliens in space. The classic elements of science fiction novels include time travel, teleportation, mind control, telepathy, and telekinesis, extraterrestrial life forms, and mutants, space travel and exploration, interplanetary warfare, parallel universe, fictional worlds, alternative stories, speculative technology, super intelligence computers, and robots. Those are the classic elements of science sci-fi fiction. Those are mostly used by authors, especially in movies. Now, these are the notable science fiction authors: Mary Wilson Shelley, Edgar Allan Poe, Jules Verne, and this is the 12 classic science fiction novels to know and read. These are the example of sci-fi fiction, and some of them is adapted to movies. Thank you very much. That's it all, everyone.